Morning guys, beautiful day here in Yokohama. We've had like a couple of days of rain and today is also match day here in Yokohama for the New Zealand All Black rugby team as they play England. I am looking at heading to that game today, but first I want to check out a couple of parks and try and get some vibes from the air with the fly cam and check out some of the vibes of Yokohama. This guy's celebrating Halloween. It's so cool. These guys decorate their homes with the Halloween theme. I think it's Halloween in a couple of weeks' time. Wow, can't believe yesterday was grey, rainy, cold. Today is warm, crisp and sunny. Total 360. All right, I love this little area, Yokohama. I mean, there doesn't seem to be much grass verges here, but the houses are quite small and compact. Reminds me of Seoul, Korea. They pretty much build the houses similar. And they're quite small. A lot of like the restaurants and cafes, obviously because Asians are small people, so getting like a big New Zealand rugby team into one of these places is quite difficult. All right, when you see a P like that, it means parking. So that one there is for 24 hours. They've got the little kiosk machine there. You can park your car there. That one there looks like you can park for about 500 yen. Normally it's for around 12 hours, which is pretty good. Not too bad. And there's another PUC. It's for petrol station. And the petrol stations are different here. They have like the petrol tanks above. So you park underneath them and the petrol comes down hoses from above. Vending machines, you see them popping up everywhere. I was down in Fuji Yoshida and you could see them down there near Mount Fuji, all around Tokyo. Now the one thing I did not realize, guys, is that normally here in Japan, if you get a drink or you get food, you don't eat it in public, which is weird. No wonder why I was eating some like food outside a 7-Eleven and then people were looking at me like strange. Why is he eating? And I was looking back at them going, why are they looking at me eating? But apparently here, it's the culture that you don't eat in public and you don't drink in public. Yet they've got vending machines everywhere. I find that pretty weird. But that's the culture here. All right, guys, we are at Nogeyama Park. And apparently they've got a little zoo here as well. So let's go and check it out. Not in English. Seems like a really beautiful park nestled in the heart of Yokohama City. Beautiful trees. Very much reminds me of New Zealand. So, giraffes, raccoons, otters, down here. The zoo's quite actually big. Japanese badgers. Look how fat they are. Just chillaxing right there. Check out the tiger, guys. Eye of the tiger. It's a big boy. Mr. Lion inside having a bit of a sleep. Wakey wakey, hands off snakey. Anyway guys, check out that sign. Can you read what it says? Attention P. So you got to be careful if they back up. Big giraffe. Having some breakfast. Brunches. Guys, the zoo here seems to be an awesome place to bring the family, bring your picnic, bring your drinks, come and check out some of the animals and some of the wildlife here, fauna and flora, and it's for free. Awesome. This is Yokohama, Tokyo Bay, just a little inlet that's coming. And we're heading over here to a restaurant to go and grab some lunch. Oh, check that out, people are looking at that boat. I wonder what that building is. Alright guys, we are in a shopping complex called Yokohama World Quarters. It's a massive shopping complex here, and we're waiting in line at a restaurant called Saizeriya. It's an Italian restaurant. I wanted to try some of this Italian food that they've mixed with Japanese food, but we've got to wait in line because it's packed, it's busy. You can see people in there eating already. So hopefully I can get a seat in there and load up on some of the Italian Japanese goodness. Let's look at the menu, guys. This is the stuff I wanted to try. Delicious. It's a bit of a mix of Japanese and Italian. So when you finish choosing your order, just ring this bell here and you'll hear the sound. It's for them to come so that you can tell them what you want. Alright guys, this is the Doria seafood. Basically you've got seafood on top with vegetables, and then down the bottom is cheese, and underneath is rice. Check that out. Beautiful. Let's try some of it. Beautiful. Let's get a little bit of that shrimp. Beautiful. Now let's add some chili on top. Chili flakes, my favorite. Let's try this one. Beautiful. You can really taste that chili too. Let's try some more with the rice. Mashed it. Alright, time for that dessert. Let's ring the bell. Ding ding. Let's get into some dessert. The wife will not approve. Let's try some of this nice dessert. So here is where you come and get the free water, ice, water, and drinks.